Almost everything. 84.
Hey guys, Dan is Almost Everything 84. Got a review of another drone today. This is the GoolRC. This is the T51. And it's got a couple features that make it a little different. Obviously, right off the bat, its shape is way different than the other ones. And it also folds up, so we'll go through a couple of those. On the remote itself, you have the on and off button in the middle. You have like a one-touch landing, a one-touch takeoff. You have a couple other directional keys here for trimming. You have something to record and take pictures. You can hold the altitude. It has like the headless direction. There's a lot of features that you'd find in many models these days that are built in here. It also has a clip that goes on here that you can use your phone for. That's kind of the main feature. On the drone itself, you have a camera at the bottom which you can move around, but this is lets you get that first-person view, and that's really how you'll fly this for the the full experience of downloading the app and using that viewer and kind of putting your eyes through the drone. Seen these kind of batteries before, but it does come with two of these and the USB charger that comes along with it. 3.7 volt, 1000 mAh. Battery just pops right in here, plugs right in, kind of fits in there, not with too much difficulty. Just kind of bend the wire around and then put it actually right folds pretty easily. On the top here you have these little clips and you just kind of go through each one. And it'll fold up like this. Now, you don't have to have the blade protector on. I put the prop protector. I put that on. Comes with a little screw. You just screw it in and protect that, because I was going to use it indoors, so I know it's going to hit into things. So it'll kind of go compact like this, and easier to carry around. Some overall thoughts on the T51. It's a great drone for what you pay for. You get all the little features that you'll find in this class of quadcopters and drones. But I think someone that's looking at this one, it's slower, as you can see in the video, but it does a good job on hovering, and it's kind of easy to keep it in one place, especially inside. Outside with no wind, you'll have most of the same results, but you have that ability through the app to just record video and pictures. And I think that's what it's good for, because the camera's at the bottom. It kind of just hangs there like it's carrying cargo, and you could probably take some good aerial shots. But it's certainly not something that you're going to do tricks with and like some of the other ones out there. Thanks for watching.